Hi, this video is about how to custom make iron cabinets. Here I'm using a carcass from system cabinet. Drag it out and change the size. The plane is the skirting. I changed to 100. Next, right click the carcass and add function part. I'm gonna add the shelf and divider into the carcass. Drag one and we can array. Five. Next, I'm gonna make the door, so I'll first drag out a front riser from parts. Front riser. To get the size of the door, I will generate a door in one of the boxes first. Board selection, control up, down, left, right panel, right click, generate swing door generation. Change the door cover to inset, and now I get the door size. Why I'm not using the generated door panel is because we cannot do design on a door panel. Come back to the front riser, still in board selection, change the size to 273, 276. Then click on the open hole button, choose rectangle, adjust the left distance to 200. Change the size to 5, 20. Then array 3 vertically, 2 horizontally at distance 10 mm. Then application. There you have 6 small holes. Next, I'm gonna add the keyhole where I uploaded earlier, drag it out and reposition it. Go back to System Cabinet module. Control and select all, then Control plus G to group them. You may add to favorite if you want to. Shift to select the group, then Z to move it into one of the boxes. Ctrl V to copy another one, then move it in. Remember Shift to select the group. Next, I'm gonna group these 3 doors, but before I do so, I need to ungroup them first, then group again. Each object can only be grouped once. Shift to select group, then Ctrl B to ungroup. Then Ctrl and highlight the 3 doors, Ctrl G to group. Shift to select group, then Ctrl V to copy another group. Move it up to fit in the upper row. Repeat the same process up to the top row. So here I'll just fast forward the process. Okay, now it's done. Next, we can right click on the wall, all material, cabinet material. I've uploaded an iron texture, so I'll just go get it from my library, and we are done. If you're gonna upload the material, you may select UV high gloss from material properties, and make sure to select a category in order to be able to use it in customized module. Alright, that's all for now. Happy trying. Bye.